Hey guys, as you're getting ready for back to school, let me share one of my favorite um, extensions that has just been a lifesaver, and I think you'll love it too. So it's called Brisk. It's available in the Chrome store and it's coming to Microsoft. And what it does is it sits here and it floats in your browser. So if you're on YouTube or a web page or in a Google Doc or a presentation, it can make custom resources for you. Yeah, just have it open. So when I click create right here, it'll analyze what I have open and create a quiz, a DOK questions, a lesson plan, a presentation, guided notes for you. I'm going to click guided notes. Say I really love this article from the History Channel. I want students to read it, but have some support as they're doing that. So I can align it to my standards, Texas, social studies, and continue drilling down. I can also type in a more specific prompt here, ask it to include sources, and then choose my grade level. Brisket, let's go. Super excited to see what it's going to generate for us. All right, here we go. I see some fill in the blank happening here. Some reflection questions, and then it gives me the sources it used to generate this instructional material. What can I do? I can then translate this. I have a student that speaks Mandarin or French. Click that right there. I can make this shorter, make it longer, more detail, less detail. Absolutely love that. Go play with that. I also love that there's a student side to Brisk where I can create student activities. So now I'm going to click the boost student activity, take that resource and boost it. And it has 3 tabs: engage, assess, and write. Under the engage tab, you can do things like create a lesson hook to really draw students in based on this material, a debate, a character chat, assessments, really quick assessments that it asks students will have to plug in their answer. Or if this was an original writing that students did and this was like a Google Doc or something, I could give feedback based on their writing. I could allow the AI to help them personalize and really improve their writing. So I'm going to go to the Engage tab and I'm going to ask for a character chatbot. I want students to be able to research this topic and pretend like they're speaking to a historical figure. Create a character chat activity about this web page. Give students the option of chatting with figures like Dr. King, Thurgood Marshall, etc. That's good enough. Click boost. What it looks like for students. You'll get a unique code that they can enter in, a QR code. I'll click copy link and open this in a new tab. And to preview this for you, I will click the preview button. All of this is editable. I can see the resource here on the left-hand side. It gives me objectives. And then let's go. Let's see the chat that it creates for me. All right, it's finished generating. Hello, I'm here to help you learn about the civil rights movement as a historical figure. Which character would you like me to portray today? Rosa Parks, Dr. King, one of the Little Rock Nine. Oh, it did not include Thurgood Marshall. Well, I'm going to tell it anyway. What character would you like me to portray? I'm going to say Thurgood Marshall because I used to teach at Thurgood Marshall High School, so I want to talk to him. Let's go. I understand you'd like to speak with Thurgood Marshall. While he wasn't one of my initial options, I can certainly portray this important civil rights figure. Hello, I'm Thurgood Marshall. As the NAACP's chief legal counsel, I argued the landmark Brown versus Board of Education case that ended legal school segregation in 1950. The victory laid groundwork for the civil rights advances you're studying from 1955 to 1960. what would you like to know about my legal work during this pivotal period? What were some arguments against integration? Those opposing integration often use the harmful doctrine of separate but equal to justify segregation. They falsely claimed integration would lower the educational standards and disrupt social order. So you get the idea. Yeah, just an interesting spin to creating research and making sure that students are using trusted, high quality resources to do that. So have fun. Thanks for watching.